Kotse ba? Feel kotse na. The 2024 Manila International Auto Show is not only home to new brands. Ito din ay nakakita ng mga bagong new energy vehicles or mga hybrids and all-electric vehicles. Previously, nakita na natin ang Lynk & Co. Kaya this time, titingnan naman natin ang New Energy Vehicle or NEV. NEV, hindi NEV, ng Chery. Kaya samahan nyo ako in this quick look of Chery's New Energy Vehicles in MIAS 2024. Alam nyo nang gagawin, malaki na kayo. Mag-subscribe, pati ang tropa ninyo para maka 400k subscribers tayo. 4k na lang kailangan natin. Dali! Even before this year's MIAS, unti-unti nang nag-introduce ng NEV offerings ang Chery sa market. Nauna dyan ang hybrid offerings ng Tigo 7 Pro and Tigo 5 Pro pero mga mild hybrid lang yan. Tapos pumasok din yung Tigo 8 Pro na plug-in hybrid. Ngayon, meron ng medyo mas attainable na legit hybrid in the Tigo 7 Pro, plug-in hybrid. Ipinakita nga nila ito sa MIAS and according to them, this has a ballpark figure of 1.8 million pesos. So far, mukhang ang Tigo 7 Pro PHEV builds on the top-of-the-line variant of the model. Pero syempre, merong electric motor. It still has the 1.5-liter engine pero matindi ang electric motor at battery pack na nilagay dito. It has an electric-only range of 80 kilometers at ang power figures ay nasa 324 horsepower and 545 Newton meters of torque lang naman. Ang laking dagdag, no, from the 1.5-liter engine. Aside from a hybrid, may dala rin silang all-electric vehicle for the first time. That is the Chery EQ7 that will be priced around 2 million pesos according to them. The EQ7 is a crossover with a 67 kilowatt battery that puts out 210 horsepower and 285 Newton meters of torque. It promises to go up to 512 kilometers on a single charge, which is a bit more than other EVs in the market. Sa loob, meron itong minimalist and modern design. May unified panoramic screen for the digital gauge cluster and touchscreen. Tapos, sa center console, parang may twin wireless mobile chargers. Once officially available, magkakaalaman kung may palagba itong EQ7 sa ibang EVs in the market. Also, hinihintay pa rin ni Boss Vincent yung Chery EQ1 na mas maliit na EV from Chery. Ewan ko bang bakit niya hinihintay yun eh. Hindi naman siya magkakasya ron, tsaka hindi ko alam kung afford niya. That's it for this video. I'm your host Stanley Chi, ang inyong senpai ng turubuhan na nagpapaalala sa inyong lahat na i-follow ako sa mga social media accounts ko. Alam niyo na kung saan yun. So paano ba yan? Kita-kits tayo sa next video dito lang sa Phil Kotse. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching! For the latest news, reviews, and anything you want to know about cars and car ownership, visit philkotse.com. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Spotify para hindi ka huli sa usapan. Tandaan, kotse ba? Phil Kotse na!